Mosquitoes are tiny insects, often no bigger than a few millimeters. Despite their small size, they have a significant impact on our world, but they cause big problems. They spread diseases that affect millions of people globally. These diseases are not just minor illnesses, they can be severe and life-threatening. These diseases can be deadly, leading to prolonged suffering and even death. Hospitals in many regions are overwhelmed with patients suffering from mosquito-borne illnesses. Malaria, Zika, and dengue fever are just a few examples of the many diseases mosquitoes can transmit. Each of these diseases has its own set of complications and challenges. Millions of people get sick every year. Thousands die. The impact is especially severe in remote and underdeveloped areas where access to medical care is limited. We need new ways to fight mosquitoes. Scientists around the world are working tirelessly to find innovative solutions to this growing problem. Traditional methods like insecticides and fogging are not enough. These methods have been used for decades, but mosquitoes continue to thrive and adapt. Insecticides can harm other insects, including beneficial ones like bees and butterflies. This creates a ripple effect in the ecosystem, affecting plant pollination and biodiversity. They can pollute the environment too, contaminating water sources and harming aquatic life. The consequences of widespread insecticide use are far-reaching and detrimental. We need a more targeted approach, one that focuses specifically on controlling mosquito populations without causing collateral damage to other species and the environment. One that specifically controls mosquito populations. This requires a deep understanding of mosquito biology and innovative scientific techniques. This is where a new discovery comes in. It involves fruit flies. Scientists are exploring genetic modifications in fruit flies that could be applied to mosquitoes, offering a promising new way to combat these pests. Scientists have been studying fruit flies for a long time. These tiny insects have provided a wealth of knowledge about genetics and behavior. Their short life cycle and simple genetic structure make them ideal subjects for research. They are fascinated by their genetics. Fruit flies have been instrumental in understanding the basic principles of heredity and genetic mutations. Researchers have mapped out their entire genome, revealing many secrets. Recently, they made a breakthrough. This discovery has opened new doors in the study of fruit fly behavior and genetics. It has the potential to impact other areas of biological research as well. They found a gene called SHAL. This gene plays a significant role in the mating rituals of fruit flies. Understanding this gene can help scientists learn more about genetic control of behavior. This gene is crucial for fruit fly mating. It influences how fruit flies choose their mates and ensures the continuation of their species. The SHAL gene is a key player in this complex process. It controls how their antennae move. The movement of the antennae is essential for communication between male and female fruit flies. This gene regulates the precise movements needed for successful mating. Male fruit flies flap their wings. This creates a sound. The sound is a crucial part of the mating ritual as it attracts female fruit flies and signals the male's readiness to mate. Female flies hear this with their antennae. The antennae are sensitive to the specific frequencies produced by the male's wing flapping. This allows the female to locate and respond to the male. The SHAL gene helps them do this. It fine-tunes the antennae's sensitivity to the mating call, ensuring that the female can accurately detect and respond to the male's signals. It allows them to detect the correct sound. This precise detection is vital for successful mating, as it ensures that the female responds only to the calls of males of the same species. This ensures they mate with the right species. By understanding the SHAL gene, scientists can gain deeper insights into the genetic basis of behavior and communication in fruit flies and other organisms. The SHAL gene is not unique to fruit flies. Mosquitoes have it too. It also plays a role in their mating. This is where it gets interesting. Scientists believe they can target this gene in mosquitoes. By silencing it, they can disrupt their mating. How would this work? Silencing the SHAL gene would make mosquitoes deaf to mating calls. They wouldn't be able to find mates. This would lead to fewer mosquitoes. Fewer mosquitoes mean less disease. This research is still in its early stages, and while we are just beginning to understand its full potential, the possibilities are truly exciting. However, it has huge potential. Imagine a world where mosquito-borne diseases are a thing of the past, where communities can thrive without fear of malaria, dengue, or Zika. It could revolutionize mosquito control, making current methods like spraying and larvicides obsolete. It could save countless lives, especially in tropical regions where these diseases are most prevalent. Imagine a world without malaria, dengue, or Zika. The impact on global health would be monumental. This could become a reality, bringing hope to millions who live in fear of these diseases. Of course, there are challenges. The scientific community must address numerous hurdles before this can be implemented. We need to ensure this method is safe, not just for humans, but for the entire ecosystem. We need to make sure it doesn't harm other insects, especially those crucial to our environment like bees and butterflies. But the future looks promising. With continued research and collaboration, we can overcome these obstacles. Fruit fly genetics could hold the key to a healthier world, offering insights that could be applied to mosquito control. A world free from the threat of mosquito-borne diseases is within our reach, promising a healthier, safer future for all.